Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to dupe a high-end glam Z-Gallerie wall sconce for a fraction of the price using all dollar store materials. As you can see in this picture, Z-Gallerie is selling theirs for $149.95, but my version will only cost $5 to make and will look just as glam and beautiful. To start, I will list out the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials for this DIY is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We will need one rectangle silver charger plate. The Dollar Tree sells them in both silver and gold, but for today's project, I have selected the silver version. We will also need a sheet of mini mirror tiles, a small picture frame, a large clear plastic spoon or fork from a salad server set, a string of silver beaded necklace, and a lid. As you can see here, I have chosen the lid from an empty pickle jar, but you can choose any lid you may have of a similar size. We will also need some black acrylic paint or black spray paint, whatever you have on hand. To help us with today's craft project, we will also need a hot knife or wood burning tool. The one I'm using was purchased from Amazon. We will also need some Fix-All or E6000, and of course our handy dandy glue gun. I purchased my glue gun from Amazon. To begin, disassemble the small picture frame and put everything aside except for the cardboard backing. Turn the cardboard backing over and you will see a hook in place. Cut around the hook as we will be gluing the hook to the back of the charger plate. For this, we will be using some Fix-All for a more permanent hold and some hot glue for instant hold. As an alternative option, you could actually skip this step entirely and simply apply a command strip to the back of the charger plate instead. But I chose this method as it is quite easy and works just as well. And while we work on this, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the hook is secured to the back of the charger plate, turn the plate around so we can apply a sheet of mini mirror tiles to the front. You will want to leave a gap towards the bottom so we can glue the lid directly to the plate later. I'll show you how. And here is what our charger plate looks like so far. Next, we will apply some hot glue to the string of silver beaded necklace and adhere it all around the charger plate to frame it. Then, using some black paint, paint the front, back, and sides of the lid. While the paint dries on the lid, take either the spoon or fork from the salad server set and using your hot knife, score it carefully about 2 millimeters deep. Then, using your hands, gently break off the stem. It should break off pretty straight and smooth. Then, paint the stem as well to match the lid. At this point, I was not happy with the matte finish of the black paint, so I decided to apply a row of clear round gem stickers around the lid and the same gem stickers vertically along the stem of the plastic fork. With that done, I was much more pleased with the set. Our next step is to apply some Fix-All and hot glue to a small section of the lid to adhere it horizontally to the bottom of the charger plate where we left the gap. You will need to hold the lid into place for a minute or two until the hot glue takes hold. Then, gently test the lid to gauge how secure it is. If it wobbles, apply more glue to the bottom edges of the lid where it meets the plate. Next, hot glue the stem of the fork directly to the bottom center of the lid. Again, you will need to hold the stem into place for a minute or two until the hot glue takes hold. The last step is to fill in the gap at the bottom beside the lid with a row of mini mirror tiles. And with that done, take your favorite glass cleaner and wipe off any marks or fingerprints from the mirror. And here is the final look for our wall sconce. You can see here I have placed a tall but very lightweight battery operated LED candle, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think this is a good dupe for the Z Gallerie version? Would you like to see more Z Gallerie dupes? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.